Hi, welcome to Easy Rider. I put those E-Glide Goodies engine guard protectors on the front engine guards. I couldn't film it while I was doing it, but I got it done, and I'll show you what it looks like. If you like these kind of videos, please like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new ones. Thanks a lot. All right, let's go. Okay, here's what the left side one looks like installed. I had to cut a little bit off the top for my highway pegs. They wouldn't go around the bar and the plastic. That's what the left one looks like. We'll come around here and look at the right one. Got my brake pedal out of the way. There. Maybe I should get this out of the way too so you can see it better without that board being in the way. Go around. Yep, go around here. I can't get through that little spot. There. That's what that looks like. I may have to put some glue on here that's a little bit loose. This one's tighter. Well, no, it's about the same. I had to cut about 1 inch off of them, as you can see here. Had to cut that off so that it would fit where my clamp goes for my highway bars. Now I'm going to put the rear ones on. Not sure about these tabs. They said that's to make it easier to take on and off. I may cut those off, but here's the one on the left side that I have put on. But it definitely needs a little more to hold it down. They look pretty good on there. Now I'll show you if I can do this with one hand. Couldn't do the others with one hand, but let me see if I can get this done with one hand. Put this... No. Okay, gonna see if I can push this on with one hand. I got it just started. Let's see. There we go. Okay, yeah, that moves a bit, so got it. Maybe I'll use a wire tie on here on this tab to hold that tighter, but it's cheaper than buying the new guards. I wish I had just bought them a long time ago so that wouldn't have happened. All right. Okay, well, what I did was I left the little tabs on under here, and I put a wire tie through there. Yeah. Hope you can see that. That sun behind it. I'll try it from the back side. Okay, where is it? Where is it? There, you can just kind of see it. But, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Put that wire tie on there. Wire tie. Holds it a little more steady. A little more sturdy. Hardly moves now at all, so we'll see what happens, and I'll let you know. Okay, I decided to put a wire tie on the front one too, and I ran just a tiny bead of super glue all around the top of the wire tie on both sides. That way I know it's not going to come off now. Maybe I wouldn't need it, but I just feel a lot better. Actually, I'm quite happy with these things now, because this was $230, this crash bar. And the pair of those, I think, was $100 and something for the rear ones. I don't remember exactly. I know this was $230 something, this front one. So I'm happy that I only spent $30 to get that part fixed. Now I got to work on the paint. I tried it, and it's all kind of crappy looking there. I don't know, the color doesn't really match that well. It might be because I didn't get it shook up enough, or the way I put it on. I'm going to sand this off and try again another time. Thanks for watching.